A powerful blizzard is underway in the Sierra Nevada and forecast to bring relentless snow over the next 2 days, with wind gusts already clocking 145 mph at the highest peaks in the Sierra and creating dangerous whiteout conditions. This is the biggest snowstorm for the Sierra season, with blizzard warnings active for the Sierra Nevada and parts of eastern Nevada. Heavy snow is already falling, with areas are forecast to pick up between 5 to 10 feet of snow and localized areas up to 12 feet. With snow falling 2 to 4 inches an hour, travel is life-threatening and impossible, and portions of the highly traveled I-80 will likely close for days. California Highway Patrol in Truckee, California said Friday that travel is highly discouraged, noting that conditions over Donut Summit deteriorated Thursday night, causing a traffic mess. Trucks are now at maximum restrictions.